that Ben fell for this. I already knew that he was going to run back to his parents. I told him that his grandmother Ruth died and he was in his truck, and I already saw it. So he thought that he was actually running back to them and going up against me. I already knew when I left he wouldn't have liked it. He saw his cousin Nate at the laundromat, and I already knew he was going to do this. It was all in a plan that I already knew about. So he had no surprises on me, although his parents did try to take advantage of a desperate situation when my husband was in the truck. And Carrie Mae thought that she already had the upper hand by hearing stuff about me and Gabe Bult, and she didn't. There's no way she did, because I told my husband about it, and I already knew how he would act with using this against me with Gabe Bult. I already said what had happened at work, and Gabe and I already worked everything out before my husband could use this, before he could use my work situation against me.